So this is exactly how you create a YouTube channel for beginners. I'm gonna share with you the steps and also the key settings that you can use to optimize your channel from day one. I'm also gonna share with you a secret on how you can keep your channel safe from hackers. So let's get started. So head to your browser. You can use Google Chrome, Safari, or any other browser that you want to use. So go to the search bar and type youtube.com. Once you're there, click on sign in. So here you're creating a Google account to help you create a YouTube account. So here we create a new account or use an existing email that you have. So let's create a new account. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna create a business account. So let's get a Gmail address. Enter your first name, the last name. Enter the month, the day, and the year of birth. So create an email address that you want to use or just let Google create one for you. Enter your password. And now after entering all the details, you now have a YouTube account. So to make your account look lively, let's customize the channel. So now let's start with giving your YouTube channel a name. This is the name that everyone who comes to YouTube will see. So make it unique, easy to spell, and also easy to remember. So once you're here, just scroll down a bit. So the first thing that you see is the name that you entered while creating the Google account. So you can delete it and put a new name. So let me put Grow with Carole Nathaniel. That's the name I want to use for my new YouTube channel. And also you can change the channel handle. So let me put Grow with. Yeah, so you can see it's available. Once you see the green check mark, just know that the handle is available. So the difference between a channel handle and a channel name, the channel name is what people see when they come to your channel. That is the name just below your banner, your YouTube banner. So that's this name, Carole Nathaniel. And the channel handle is this handle here that starts with @ that's at Carole Nathaniel. And also remember to publish anything that you update, or any change will not be saved. And so now let's upload our profile picture. You can see we only have some letters here, so let's upload a profile picture. I have some images on my laptop, so let me use this for now. And so now we've uploaded our profile picture, and it's now time to upload our banner. So let's head over to Canva. So in your search bar, you can just type canva.com. Canva offers so many templates. Just search YouTube banner. So let's use this template and just customize it. You can change the name to banner. And then for the background, you can just choose a color. Black is also good. Black is also good. So I'm just customizing the template and adding in what I want. So I'm just gonna put my name here. Just make sure that everything is centered. So the banner is now done uploading and it looks okay. So let's now publish and view our channel and see how it looks like. And now continue with customizing the rest of the channel. So let's scroll down and enter our channel description. So for this you can use ChatGPT. It's so helpful. Just enter a prompt and tell it to give you a channel description. It will give you a very good description. And you can also tweak it a bit to fit with what you want. So this is my description. Let me just copy it. And now our channel has a description. Now it's time to add some links. So these are the links that I'm talking about. So let me show you where these links appear. They come just below your channel description. So when you click on more, you see some links here, and this is what you want to add. So here you can add maybe your social media handles or your website. So you can just put in the title and just paste the URL here, and once you're done, it will appear just below your channel description, and when people click on it, it takes them to where you want. So this is so helpful, and you can add as many links as you want. So the next thing is to add our contact info, and this should be an email address, and remember not to add the email address that you used to open your YouTube account. So remember the secret I said I'll give you. Putting a different email account here protects your channel from hackers. So just put a different email address. So next we add in our video watermark. So the watermark can be a subscribe button, which can be seen all the way from the start of your video to the end of your video. So when uploading a watermark, just make sure it's 150 by 150 pixels. And for this, you also go back to Canva. Canva is so helpful. And click on create, customize size, and so the size should be 150 by 150, and make sure that it's in pixels. So create new design, go to elements and search subscribe button. So let's use this. So it's now already uploaded, and so you can choose for it to be shown at the end of your video, custom start time, or the entire video. And now click on publish. So now let's go to the channel settings, and let me take you step by step on how you're supposed to set everything up. So for the general tab, here we set the currency that we want, but for me I go with the US dollar. Then next, go to the channel settings, select your country of residence. So I reside in Kenya. So for the keywords, we go back to ChatGPT and tell it to give us some keywords. So ChatGPT gave us some keywords, them and paste them in. So for the channel settings, we're done, and now click on save. Now let's go to the default settings. Now the upload settings are the settings that you use when uploading each video. So I don't think everything will be the same, because each video has a different title, a different description. You can set a default description that you can use every time, like to affiliate links or anything that you want to use as default every time you upload a video. So for the visibility, it's always advisable to let it remain in private until you're done adding everything, like your title, description, the thumbnail, the tags, and everything else. So set it to private or unlisted, but not to public. So please put that in mind. And so for the tags, I urge you to just leave it like that until you're done with your video, and now you can upload the tags afterwards. So let's click on save for now. Just make sure you save everything. So still on upload default, let's now go to advanced settings. So for the advanced settings, just leave everything as it is. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. That's good for now. Standard YouTube license is also okay. Just leave it like that. So when you come to language and captions certification, for the language, I select English. So for the title and description, also set it as English United States. So for the comments, I love to set it as strict, and leave this box checked because you want to show how many viewers like your video. Yeah? So let's save, and now we're done with the default settings, both basic and advanced. So let's go to permissions. So for permissions, maybe your channel grows, and that's my prayer to you, and maybe you want to invite some people to help you with the channel, like maybe with editing. So this is where you invite them. So click on invite and enter their email address and the access that you want to give them, maybe the manager, editor. And now let's go to community moderation. So in here you set the comments on new videos and posts. I love to put them at strict, that's it. And messages in your live chat, set it as basic, so YouTube can hold potentially inappropriate messages. People can be nastier. So posts in your community, viewer posts, put them on, and also change it to basic. So who can post in your community? Yeah, subscribers is okay. One day also good. So here you can type in some words that you think are inappropriate and they'll be blocked. Then next, please check mark this box to hold comments with hashtags and URLs. These are comments that will take people away from your YouTube channel and you don't want that, so let's click on save. So the next thing that I want us to look at is the earn tab, and here is where you will start your earning journey. That is after you're at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So this is where you set it all up. So you can just go over the page and read everything. So this is a lower tier of 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. So for me, I click on get notified so that YouTube will notify me when I'm there. And this is the higher tier of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views. So the next one is our dashboard. So when you click on the dashboard, this is where your analytics will come in, but this is after you start uploading videos or shorts or you start going live. So the next one is content, and for content, this is everything that you upload to YouTube. That is your videos, your shorts, the live streams, your posts, playlists, and so on. So the next is analytics, and this also starts showing when you start uploading content to YouTube. So the next one is community. So for the community, this is where you get information about your top subscribers and different comments. So next, let's go to the audio library, and this is where you get YouTube's free audio. So don't use any audio from anywhere, any song, any instrumental. So just use the YouTube's free audio library to get free audio or sound effects that you want to use to avoid the copyright strikes. And now, just like that, you have your YouTube channel, and now it's up to you to start uploading videos. And I wish you all the best. Welcome to the club, and let's get rolling. Thank you. See you in the next video.